Valentin Debise's chances of winning the 2026 World Supersport title have become even more difficult after race 1 of the Prosecco DOC UK round at Donington Park circuit in England. The ZXMOTO rider, who arrived determined to close the points gap, had to settle for an 8th place finish after struggling to maintain his pace among the frontrunners throughout the race. Meanwhile, his main rival in the title race, Albert Arenas, delivered another solid performance by securing 2nd place behind race winner Tom Booth-Amos. This result allowed Arenas to further extend his lead in the standings and solidify his position as the strongest contender for this season's championship. From Debise's perspective, the race at Donington was a frustrating weekend. After the start, the French rider initially tried to stay with the group, fighting for the podium, but his bike's pace wasn't competitive enough to keep up with the front runners. While Booth-Amos charged up from 9th on the grid and Arenas maintained his consistency at the front, Debise actually lost several positions during the mid-race phase. He ultimately crossed the finish line in 8th place, a result that fell far short of his goal of closing the points gap on the championship leader. Meanwhile, Arenas once again made the most of the situation by securing a 2nd place finish, a result that proved invaluable in the title race. This situation has made the title race even more favorable for Arenas. Based on the provisional standings after race 1 at Donington, the AS Blue Series Racing Team rider leads with 271 points, 68 points ahead of Valentin Debise, who is in 2nd place with 203 points. John Meja is in 3rd place with 179 points, followed by Chan Onkyu with 170 points and Tom Booth-Amos with 140 points. With only a few rounds remaining this season, Debise must now deliver near-perfect performances in the upcoming races if he hopes to keep ZXMOTO's hopes alive for the 2026 WorldSSP title.